Physiotherapy is a type of healthcare profession that focuses on the physical rehabilitation and treatment of individuals who have suffered from an injury or illness. 1. Electrotherapy. 2. Exercise therapy. 3. Physical rehabilitation. 4. Health promotion. Therapeutic pain. In interferential therapy, transcutaneous electric nerve stimulation. Electrodiagnosis. Electromyography, nerve conduction velocity. Joint mobility, balance training, muscle strengthening. Sports imagery, neurological conditions. Use correct sitting standing posture during work. For consultation, please contact us.